Hey guys, welcome back to our channel TechTube. Today in this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can download Netflix on your laptop. So, I'll be teaching you guys a very easy step, and if you have any problem or any queries in the comment section right away. And now without any further delay, let's just get started. So firstly, what you need to do is just go to your Microsoft Store app like here, and then over here just search for Netflix. Just search it, and then you'll be having Netflix over here like this. Just press on it, and then just press on get like this, and then it will start downloading like this. So that's pretty much, guys, that's how you do it. Now in a bit your Netflix app will be installed in your laptop. Now you can see the Netflix app has been installed or downloaded. So that's how we do it. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. So thank you for watching our video, guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel and also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. If you have any queries, just let me know in the comment section right away, and I will see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe, guys. Thank you for watching.